Like, look at this. Who's supposed to eat an ice cream like this?
Deep learning! Yeah, so the topic is deep learning with this sort of a focus on RNNs and LSTMs, so basically on sequences and time series.
Very interesting over here. Like, we with my colleagues had a great time, learned new things. Of course, I think there is a learning curve, of course, and what to expect and how to use everything, but I think it's great.
It is actually theoretical and hands-on, so I did try to put the most stuff I can in hands-on, which is the people what they appreciate. So I touch sort of the high level on the topics, I make them interested and excited to it, and then if they want to continue discussing the theory, I'm here for them with the board, but there's also the exercises when I actually see it in action.
Quite cool. So really technical now, this second part, but yeah, I really like it, yeah. And we're experimenting at this moment with Tensorflow and Keras.
The theory sessions, he went pretty quick. We have enough time for the hands-on sessions, so that's also the part I like. So we really can play with the code and see what's going on.
Yeah, so I hope they first of all get excited about deep learning and they grasp the potential for it, but also know when to use it. So to be careful that not just go for the hype, but actually deliver some value with them to the business.
Dutch Data Science Week! Yeah, like this, or...
Dutch Data Science Week!
You'll see us here next time. Of course, if you bring something new in terms of topics, yeah?